So the grind don't stop, according to CICELY. ATC on top, according to CICELY.
Happy Sunday, ATC gang. Come on and spend the day with us as we prepare to travel to Orlando.
You ready to get a haircut, Booster? Dad, you want to get a haircut? Haircut. You want to get a haircut, Taylor? I am very tired, but I'm excited to go to Florida.
She's from the hood.
So all of the guys are in the barbershop getting, nice and handsome the way I like. My legs started hurting maybe 30 minutes ago before we left the house, and that was my worst fear, to be in pain and have a sickle cell crisis, especially before getting on a plane, because it could just exacerbate things. So I'm gonna have to just slow down. I was gonna go home and fry some chicken so we could have in the airport, but that may not happen. I'm gonna just lay out here in the car and put on my sunglasses and a blanket and just try to lay down and take a nap, even if it's for 45 minutes, to an hour, however long it takes the guys to finish in the barbershop. And I will check back in with y'all once my men are nice and cut and handsome. Y'all, I was trying to take me a little nap to get some of this pain under control, and I realized it's 12:47. The flight leaves. They start boarding at 6. We have to drive an hour and a half to Baltimore, so I want to leave the house by like 2 o'clock to head up to Baltimore. So it's basically almost 1 now. I think I want to try to run in the grocery store and get some little paper bags. And depending on how I'm feeling when I'm home that last hour, we're going to shower, get dressed, and pack up some lunches, or dinner rather, so that we don't have to buy dinner in the airport this evening. So I think that's what we'll do, is go run in Food Lion. Byron, why don't you hold them?
World. People from all over the world be looking.
People from all over the world do not go to the gas station.
Yep, they be looking for world fold chicken.
No, I doubt it. Gas station chicken is not good chicken.
Don't do that.
It's gas station.
Don't diminish
Started, Mom.
Royal Farms. World famous chicken distinction.
Mom,
Distinguished title.
Have y'all heard of Rofo? My boyfriend swears it's world famous. It's gas station chicken.
KFC is how the gas station chicken is how KFC started.
Okay, but it's not about how you start. It's about how you finish.
And they finished world famous chicken. They're world famous.
Whatever.
I'm pretty sure that this looks like microwave Royal Farms.
So all my guys got their hair cut. We got to stop at CVS so I can get my fentanyl patches. We're going to go home, make these lunches, hop in the shower, put on some clothes, and then we're going to get on the highway. So I will check in with y'all when we get to CVS. Yeah, I know. I say.
You know that sound that plays? It sounds like somebody just
I got my fentanyl! Why is he plucking his gray hairs? Talking about it's an imperfection. Guys get more distinguished with age. He literally took his fingers and plucked a gray hair from his beard. Are you really trying to take it out?
Yeah. It don't match.
It don't match. It match because you got some on this side.
He about to be gone too. All of them are dead.
Who plucks their gray hairs? Comment down below if your man plucks his mustache. I mean, his beard. Whatever this is. You ready to get on airplane? Okay. You driving? You out here supervising, Kaden? You watching Kaden? You in the car watching Kaden? Yeah, tell Kaden to get that grass cut so we can start our vacation.
We're not starting our vacation in like 3 days.
Well, this is part of the trip. Go on now. We gotta leave soon. We gotta do this before we leave. You can't leave your house a mess. When you go on vacation, the house gotta be clean.
Wait, when are we leaving?
We're gonna leave within the next hour. Okay, guys, so we're made it back to the house, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack up our lunches so you guys can come along with me as I show you how I prepared our food for the plane. If you all are new to my channel, hello, my name is CICELY. I'm a disabled mom of 2 young boys by way of sickle cell anemia, and I thought it was important to post content to show you that if I can make it through life through frequent pain crises and hospitalizations, you can make it with whatever may be thrown on your path. I enjoy posting vlogs, shopping videos. I love to do home decor. We do recipes and much more. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to have you join the fam.
I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright all night. We're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow.
If you guys are still here, go ahead and pop this emoji on the screen. Daniel, where's the bus going? Daniel, look up. You gotta say hi to the vlog. Look, Daniel, see the camera? Look up. You gotta say hi to the camera. Oh, you can't look up because the sun.
Yeah, I was about to say the sun.
So we're at the bus stop. We literally found a parking spot like 10 spots away from the bus stop. Look at God. If you are enjoying the video thus far, do me a favor and give this video a huge thumbs up as it helps to promote my channel. I'm on my way to 2,000. So we made it through security, and it took forever. And I thought it was because the security people had to check my bag, but there was only one security person, and they had to check somebody else's bag. This lady brought her whole kitchen. She had like 20 seasonings, so I thought I was waiting on her. But the issue was I forgot to take my iPad out my bag. So I'm gonna show y'all really quick my carry-on bag for the plane. So I got my Kate Spade bag. So let me show you what's inside. So I packed my little organization pouch. And then I have my fan in here. An extra hug. The charger for my fan. My watch charger. I don't know what this is for. Don't know. But if the need should arise, I'm ready. And then this is for the plane. I showed y'all this during the travel essentials vlog. It's a phone mount, that's what it is, for when we get on the plane. So I have that stuff nice and stored. Daniel is sitting right here super excited to get on the plane.
Yeah, it's 6:30.
See? Daniel, say hi.
Hi.
Kaden is behind me. Hello. They can't see you. Come on this side, baby. And then Byron is behind me somewhere back there. So I got 2 pull-ups for Daniel. Oh, correction, 3. I got some mousse so I can do Kaden's hair. Sure.
She's got my candy.
Oh yeah, wait till we get on the plane because I don't want to excite Daniel. I got my wallet. I got a book to read. My iPad. I got, I don't know if I showed y'all this, but it's a vlogger's essential. It's a little light if I need to. I'm a YouTuber. People are looking at me like, what is she doing? But so, oh my God, my light's not coming on. What the freak? Oh, it is? Maybe I just can't see. Okay, I don't want to blind nobody. Let me cut it off. So I got my little vlogging light. And then y'all know I got to keep my Percocet. You don't want no pain crisis. My earbuds for the plane, hand sanitizer, an extra charger that I need to wrap up. And then I kept my jewelry inside of the little bag. Kaden over here talking to people. So I kept my jewelry inside the bag. I never showed y'all the jewelry we actually got. So I got a black bangle and then the pink one. And I just have my earrings and my extra like watch bands in here. This bag holds a lot, y'all. And then I have this if I need to take notes. And then my pen. I got my mask so I could take my nap. And I just have some hair clips in here because like I said, I want to finish Caden's hair, like the front of his hair, because he got his hair cut. I found these new Tropical Adventure Tic Tacs, so y'all know I'm greedy. I had to get those. Another hand sanitizer, my lip balm, and you know what I'm missing? Some lotion. Oh, never mind, lotion. All right, y'all. So it is 6:32, I think. The plane is about to start boarding, so we will check back in when we get to Orlando. Y'all pray for a safe flight. And we'll see y'all when we get a new zip code. Families with babies under 2. Now boarding. Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you in the vacation vlog. Bye.
Say that like that shirt, subscribe, do that for Sicily. Till the grind don't stop, recording in Sicily. ATC on top, recording in Sicily.